Well, every good cattle drive must have a photo session. And so that's what we're doing right now. It may be modern times, but it's still fun to dress up and do some cowboying and that kind of thing once in a while.
No hiding.
That'll help. Sit. Sit.
Did everybody smile? Go hold Rand. Go hold Golden's hat for her.
One dog in front. Two dogs.
Nobody has a pistol strapped on. What the heck?
I can go get one.
What? I said don't come bring your cart. I would. Let me tell you.
I don't think we're gonna need it. I hope we don't have to shoot any cats.
Well, you never know. Might be Mexican bandits or rustlers or no telling what.
I don't push anybody into the ditch.
Just my pistol.
Alright.
We love to make Lonesome Dove references for anybody that doesn't know. Now you're gonna have to quit that. Uh-oh. Got a sticker.
She'll get it out.
Daddy, I never taken by myself.
You just go slow and easy. It'll be all right.
Get it out. Get it out.
How you gonna do it? You want me to follow you? Get on up there ahead? I'm not 100% sure where we're fixing to start off.
Well, I think if you come down here and wait right there at the intersection by the barns, kind of headed east.
Uh-huh.
Joel, I'm thinking Rooster, come on. We're going to catch them. I try to gather them and push them off towards that southeast corner.
Yeah.
Of that pasture. And then we'll... You're just going to bring up the rear.
That's
You're
what
just there in case we have to rope a calf and put them in the trailer.
That's what I figured. And I'll probably be...
And I've got a feeling.
I'll probably only be pulling that truck until we get over there and Reese gets in and takes it. And then I'll have mine so I can get up there and block traffic on the highway.
Oh yeah, that'll be good.
Yeah, we don't want those.
I got thinking about it. Hey Joel.
Some of those idiot truckers that come down through there out of the feedlot don't like stopping for anything. Where's your hat?
My hat? I don't like hats.
You don't like hats? I don't like hats too much either.
I could have worn one.
You are wearing guitar picks on your fingers though. You like those, I guess. Aren't you worried about breaking a nail?
No.
You put some more on there. All right, anyway, we'll be back.